Right, let's try to understand the basic AAA configuration. For that, let me have this PC coming up. Okay, this PC will have an IP address of 100.0.0.100. The gateway is going to be 100.0.0.1. Right, so if you see IP config, you can see 100.0.0.100, 100.0.0.1. This is 100.0.0.1. So let's finish router's configuration. Router is going to have interface fast Ethernet 0/0, no shared IP address 100.0.0.1, 255.0.0.0. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1, no shutdown IP address 10.0.0.1, 255.0.0.0. Okay, let us finish our ACS server configuration. So this is a server machine which has ACS server in it. Go to desktop, no, go to configure. See, you got AAA here. AAA. Click on AAA. Okay, this has got a radius. What happened to tacacs? This don't have a tacacs. This doesn't have tacacs.
So is this therefore CCNA?
I need to record this. So client name is R1. Security password. The password that I want to give. This is not the password for checking the user. This is not authenticating user. This is authenticating what? The client. AAA client. So I'll give Cisco 123. What is the client's IP address? 10.0.0.1. Yeah. What would you like to have? Radius or tacacs? I want to have tacacs. See, you have an option here. I want to have tacacs. Don't worry about this port number now. I want to have tacacs. Right. Add. So there's a client called R1 whose IP address is 10.0.0.1 who wants to use tacacs service, and the key is Cisco 123. It is done. Now let us go to the router. AAA new model. Okay, first of all let us configure tacacs. Tacacs server host. Where is the host? What is the IP address of the host? 10.0.0.2. Did I assign the IP address? No. Let me go and assign. Let me assign the IP address. 10.0.0.2. Gateway is 10.0.0.1. This is the IP address of the tacacs server. So I need to give that same here. And then you see you got key. Command key. What is the key? Cisco 123. You remember? I gave the same password there on the server. The client and password, the client and the server should have the same password. Now we have told this router where the tacacs server is. Next, let us check this one. Test. I'm sorry, this tool has some limitation. There is a command called test tacacs and all. Maybe we need to do the same thing on ASA, but problem is for GNS. But the problem is for GNS you need real ACS. You don't have a simulator for ACs. Okay, so we cannot test now. How you can test? You can test by telnetting from outside.
No problem.
Now let us enable telnet. Line console, sorry, line VTY 0 to 4. Alright, line VTY 0 to 4. I want to use AAA for authentication, correct? So I come outside, I didn't do anything there. Enable AAA authentication. AAA authentication. For what? For logging in.
Yeah.
You see, I told you there will be a default, there will be word. Don't say default. If you say default, even for console, it will ask for password. Give a word. I'll give, my remote path. Anyone from remote need to get authenticated using this AAA. It can be any name, user defined name. My underscore rim underscore auth. And then you see, here you got a command local, you got a command group. Let's go with group. You got tacacs plus, you got radius. Which one you want?
Tacacs.
I want tacacs. Alright. In case if you feel that if tacacs is unreachable, I want to use radius. Again you say group radius. Even if radius is unreachable, I want to use local.
There is no group for locals.
No group for local. So first it will check tacacs. If tacacs is unreachable, if tacacs is fails, it is failed. It won't go to radius. If tacacs is unreachable, it goes to radius. If radius is unreachable, then it goes to local. Now if it is local, then let us create a local database. Username I'll say LOCAL, password LOCAL. I'm just giving local as the username and password.
Okay.
Right. Now
So after put A, we have to put A new model.
that is already done. You have to do it. So where we are, show run. We enable AAA authentication. First it will check tacacs. If tacacs is unreachable, it will check radius. If radius is unreachable, it will check the local database. And then this is the IP address of the interface. And we have also said where the tacacs server is, but we didn't say what? Radius server. Correct? We didn't say where the radius server is. So the command goes like this. Radius server host 10.0.0.3 key. Let us give Cisco 123, same key. And then we'll go and configure 10.3 now. Go to router 3, give IP address 10.0.0.3, gateway is 10.0.0.1, AAA, host name is R1, secret is CISCO 123, and then we would like to use radius. IP address of the machine. IP address of the machine is 10.0.0.3.
Yeah.
1.
Radius.
No, this is client machine.
Okay.
Right. So this is the key. Alright. So now our router knows where is radius. Let us try pinging radius 10.0.0.3. I'm trying to ping radius. The ping is happening. Ping tacacs. The ping is happening. So we need to put users and passwords, username and passwords on tacacs and radius. That is what left. On the local database, I think we have given already the username and password. Now this time, if I telnet from the remote,
So,
first of all, let us try one second. Let us try pinging 10.100.0.0.1. I'm able to ping. What is the question?
so you're getting the command under the telnet VDI.
That is still not done. Still not done. For telnet session only, we are going to use AAA. So let us go on. Line VTY 0 to 4 or 0, whatever, and then logging authentication. What is the word that we gave? You see, there is default, there is also word,
My underscore.
but we gave word. The word is
My underscore REM underscore AUTH.
this is the word. Done. Login authentication, my RIM authentication, so and so. Okay, done. Enter. Now we said whenever someone telnets, go and cross check with this my underscore r em underscore auth. What does that says? You need to check the tacacs error first. If that is not reachable, then radius. If that is also not reachable, then local.
Just line VTY 04 login authentication my
That's all. Now let us go to tacacs server and give a username. See, here is a username column. Username I want to give tacacs tacacs. Password tacacs. Username and password I gave as tacacs. On radius machine I'll give radius. Done. Now, when I telnet from PC, telnet 100.0.0.1. It is asking me the username. The username tacacs. I mean, let me try giving radius. radius. Not allowed. Why? tacacs is alive. According to tacacs, it's a wrong username and password. Let us turn off tacacs.
So interface 0 by 2.
I turn off tacacs.
Okay.
Turned off. Switch off. Off. Now, username radius. I mean, let us turn off radius also. Now if I use radius or tacacs, it is not going to allow me. But when I type local, I mean, I should be in.
So what did we give for local?
Local only again. So it takes some time. It goes to tacacs, verifies whether tacacs is really there. Yeah, see, it took some time. The reason is it has to cross check with two other guys, tacacs and radius. So this is what the AAA to CCNA security layer. Alright, still you got what? Authorization, accounting and all will come in IE level. Now you got a flavor of AAA, how to use tacacs, how to use radius, how it does external authentication. Yep.